Model, 2021 Ford Transit 350 trend 95k miles needs gearbox repair Euro 6 VAT inclusive. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 95,586. MOT, the 19th of January 2026. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 ECOBLUE 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Van running and driving okay with EML on the dash. Engine sounds okay. Gearbox has no second gear and just crunches away. Second gear synchro needs replacement. Still starts and drives grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is